here. Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. Mabuhay! 7 months ago, my family and I went to Philippine Embassy to get my Philippine passport. Got it after 7 months because of the coronavirus. Used to be 2 months and regular basis. Next month, we were supposed to have a family vacation together, but sadly it got canceled. But anyway, I will show you how we did it. I am a Filipino-American kid. I born in General Center City, Jensen. So I was born Philippines, but I live here in California. Hi, Tata Jensen. Today, let's talk about how to get a Filipino passport. Today's Filipinos require Filipino passport. To all Filipinos, enter Philippines. For kids like me who didn't know what passport is, it's a small book called booklet that looks like this, issued by a government our identity and citizenship. It allows you to travel. It's like a travel ID. It's your picture. It has your name. It has your birthday, and it has birthplace and gender. Without passport in some countries, we are not allowed to enter, like Philippines. Very important. Since I'm a Filipino and American, I need to have a Filipino passport and American passport like this.
Yeah, which one is Filipino one? American passport.
Why do they look red and blue? Here is some tips and guide how to get a Filipino passport. If you are living in a foreign country, except if you live in the Philippines. Number 1, search only where is the nearest Philippine embassy where you live, except if you live in the Philippines. Number 2, gather required documents. If you have it already, then proceed to schedule a appointment. Only why? Schedule a appointment only online. Why? Because they don't accept walking in anymore here in San Francisco. It will save your time and effort. But before you schedule for an appointment, make sure that you birth certificate.
Eventually.
Birth certificate. Report of birth if you born outside Philippines. No. NSO. NSO copy meaning National Statistics Office of Philippines. O copy meaning a National Statistics Office of Philippines. The copy should be in their kind of paper for authenticity. Number 3, before coming to your scheduled appointment, make sure you photocopy all of the original document that is needed and fill the application form down below. Number 4, bring your own self-addressed stamped envelope if you want your passport mailed to to you, but if you live very close, you don't have to do it. For Filipinos live in the foreign country, if you want passport delivered to you where you live, have to sign or parents or guardian to sign paper like this. Can find this form in the website Philippine Embassy, where you are going to apply for Philippine passport. Number 6. Prepare fee for $60. They only accept cash check, money order, bank draft, certified check. They don't accept cash, personal check, credit card, or debit card. Wait. Okay. Tips.
Okay.
Tips. Do not wear slippers. Do not wear sleeveless. Oh. Do not wear shorts. Shorts that's very short. Very short. Prepare to take off earring, headband, cap. Because I had to do it. I was going to take a photo, and then this guy was very strict and he said, "Do not wear earrings." And I'm like,
Okay.
tips. Extra tips. Be prepared to take off necklace, facial piercing, colored eye contacts, face long, lashes, and glasses, like eyeglasses, or like shade glasses. Do not bring photo ID. They will take your photo ID on site. Do not wear tank tops, tube tops, plunging tape. Do not wear tank tops or tube tops, plunging necklines.
How does it?
Right here.
Okay.
Not wear that. See-through clothing. Wear only a portable clothes. Only wear appropriate clothes. You are not going to a party. You are only applying a passport. If you don't listen to me, they won't let you into the building. Just saying. I hope this video can help. Go to your mom and dad and grandma, grandpa, and guardians. Remember your best behavior all the time. If you have a question, just message me on Facebook or Instagram. Video can help you if you do it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe below because I was just rubbing my nose, so sorry about that.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Goodbye, Pepper. That's it. Goodbye. 7 months ago, my whole family went, including me, went to San Francisco to get my Filipino passport. But anyways, let me show you my story.
Okay. Right camera action.
Hi guys. But I'm still gonna share how I got it. Let's go. Number 1, live in the Philippines.
Oh.
Number 2, only why? Wear slippers because these are dangerous and you can slap people with them. Tips, do not wear
What is it?
It says